Hello students, in the last video we have done Arbeitsbuch exercises till exercise number 6. Now in this video we are going to continue with the next exercises from exercise number 7. So let's move ahead. Open Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 3 und 80. Everyone open workbook page number 83. On page number 83 we are going to solve exercise number 7. Transportmittel, Schreiber den Artikel. These are the vehicles and you have to write the article of the same. First let me tell you the meanings of these words. Fahrrad bedeutet bicycle, Bahn bedeutet railway, Motorrad bedeutet bike, Bus bedeutet bus, U-Bahn bedeutet underground railway, Ship bedeutet ship, Auto bedeutet car und Flugzeug bedeutet aeroplane. Now let's see the articles of these nouns. Fahrrad, das Fahrrad. Bahn, die Bahn. Motorrad, das Motorrad. Bus, der Bus. Die U-Bahn, das Schiff. Das Auto, das Flugzeug. Now we have seen the articles of these vehicles. Now let's see what is expected in Aufgabe B. Wir fahren Stefan, Maria, Anton, Tanja, Herr und Frau Braun und Familie Meyer. Zum Beispiel, Stefan nimmt den Bus. Herr und Frau Braun fahren mit ihrem Wagen. Wagen bedeutet vehicle. In the first sentence, accusative is used for vehicles because we are using the verb nehmen. Whereas in the second one, mit is the preposition used. Whenever you travel by any vehicle, any kind of vehicle, you need to use in German mit preposition. Mit means by the aeroplane, by the bicycle, by the train, like this. So in the first sentence accusative is used and mit being the dative preposition, dative is used in the second sentence. So let's see one example. I will also make one example so it will be more clear to you. Let's see for Maria. Maria named das Fahrrad. Thus accusative remains thus as it is. The accusative also remains the. Their nominative changes into then while making accusative. That's why then bus is used. Okay. Then Maria fährt mit ihrem Fahrrad. Being mit dative preposition, mit ihrem Fahrrad is used. Okay. Is it clear? I hope that it is clear. Now, Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 84. Open page number 84. Jetzt machen wir die Aufgabe Nummer 8. Bilde sinnvolle Sätze. Here they have given the jumbled words and you are supposed to form normal meaningful sentence. Just remember that if full stop is given in the question, then it means you have to make a normal sentence. If question mark is given, you have to make a question. Now here also in question, if WH question is mentioned in the exercise, in that question, then you have to make WH question. If WH question is not mentioned, then you have to form yes no question. Now while making the questions or sentences, just you have to remember the verb position. Just keep in mind that your verb should be at second position in the conjugated form in case of normal sentence as well as in WH question. In case of yes no question, the verb should be at first place. Okay. So now this exercise only difficult words meaning I will tell. The actually answers we will discuss in our live class. Besuchen, as you already know, to visit. Haben ich am Wochenende is on weekend. Mein Bruder. Now here, this mein Bruder also needs to convert into accusative. I have visited, haben is used, that means it must be perfect form. Otherwise, why haben should have given. So I have visited my brother on weekend. Now here my brother is the accusative form, so you have to make it accusative. For example, ich habe meinen Bruder am Wochenende besucht. Or you can start the sentence with am Wochenende. Am Wochenende habe ich meinen Bruder besucht. So please keep all these points in your mind while framing the sentences or questions. B. Gratulieren means to greet. Schenken is to gift. Wir, ihr, unsere Lehrerin. Now here also gratulieren and schenken both are dative verbs. So you have to consider wherever you are going to require dative. Blumen is flowers. Zum Geburtstag is on birthday. Und means and. Say. Bestellen. Bestellen is an accusative verb. Always remember the verbs which start with be are always accusative. Bestellen is to order. Sondern is rather. Laura. Ein Hamburger, that we should also need to convert it into accusative burger. Keine Pizza, no pizza. De. Sein is to be. You have to conjugate the verb as per the requirement. Maria, deine Freundin. Deine is different, Freundin is different. Cousine, cousin, order. This should be the question. And as WH question is not mentioned in this question, Aufgabe day, then it means you have to make it yes no question. And in yes no question, the verb should be at first position. Then Aufgabe A. Aufmachen is to open. Sein, his. Heiß, that means to be called as. Heute is today. Herr Lechner is the name. S. Die Fenster means windows. Die Türen means doors. Then there. Okay. Then is because. So this will be a conjunction. You have to use conjunction. Just keep in mind that when you form the sentence with then, you have to put the verb at second position. Verb remains as it is in then also. F. Essen, Frau Kramer, kein Käse, warum? This is a WH question. Kein Käse is no cheese. Why Frau Kramer doesn't eat cheese? G. Helfen. Helfen is once again dative. The Kinder, by means at what thing they are helping. Ihre Großeltern should be in dative. Gartenarbeit, garden work. H. Packen, to pack. Reisen, to travel. Müssen, must. Then is because. Morgen is morning. That means tomorrow, sorry. M is small. Gast, guest. Koffer is luggage. That should be in accusative as per the requirement. Früh is early. Schon means already. Aufgabe I. Bleiben du auch nach 10 Jahren mein Freund. This is a normal sentence. Auch nach 10 Jahren means after 10 years. Then J is gehören is to belong. Fahrrad is bicycle. Kind is child. K. Kaufen is buy. Haben, Benjamin, schöne Blumen. Schöne Blumen is nice flowers, beautiful flowers. Seine Mutter is his mother. For birthday, gestern is yesterday. Because haben. So now frame the proper, sensible, meaningful sentences. We will discuss the answers of the same in our live class. Now we are going to first revise personal pronomen in nominative, accusative and dative, because the next exercise is based on these personal pronouns. Now purposely I have given here the table of nominative, accusative and dative personal pronomen. Nominative personal pronomen you all know. Ich, du. Ich means I, du, you. Er, he. Es, it. Sie, she. Wir, we. Ihr, you all. Sie, they. And capital Z is you respected for. Accusative, purposely I have written the meanings in the brackets so that it will be easier, because while solving personal pronomen exercise, sometimes it becomes easier if you translate the sentence and decide. It helps you to decide the personal pronoun. Mich, me, dich, you, in, him, es, it, sie, her, uns, us, euch, you all, sie, them, sie, you. And dative. Always remember, whatever is the meaning of accusative, just add to or for before that and use it for dative. Mir is to or for me. There is to or for you. Im is to or for him. Ihr is to or for her. Uns is to or for us. Similar way. Now here the most important thing you have to keep in mind that there are certain dative verbs which always take dative in with them. Like for example, gefallen, antworten, then gratulieren, schaden. All this verb you have to keep in mind. In case of gefallen and schmecken, you have to just keep in mind that gefallen and schmecken take the nominative case for the object which you like, and who likes that will be in dative. Now one more point you have to keep in mind in case of objects. You can't use directly it. S. You have to know the article of the noun and accordingly you need to decide the case of the same. For example, the noun is masculine, you will use er form according to requirement, nominative, accusative, whatever form it will be. If the noun is neutral, you will use S form. S form remains same in nominative, accusative, so no problem. If it is for feminine noun, then you will use Z. It also remains same in both. So now let's see the exercise. Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 84. Workbook page number 84, Aufgabe Nummer 9. Ergänze die passenden Personalpronomen. You have to decide the appropriate personal pronouns. Okay. So Aufgabe A. Katja, auch ein Geschenk für blank, danke blank Albert. Albert, na klar, blank hast doch Geburtstag heute. Now you can see here that this is a conversation between Katya and Albert. To decide the correct personal pronoun, you have to know the correct meaning of the sentence. Now Katya is telling Albert, oh, a gift for me? Definitely she is telling that thank you Albert. That means that gift is naturally for Katya. So a gift for me? Thank you Albert. Albert, oh of course you have a birthday today. Okay. So now a gift for me. Here for is the accusative preposition. So you have to use accusative me. That is mich. Danken is a dative verb. That's why thank you will be dative. That will be there because both are friends maybe. So it is there. Then yes, of course you have a birthday. Who has a birthday? Whenever we get the answer for who, it is always nominative. So hast is the conjugation according to do. So here do will be the answer. I hope it is clear. I will show one or two more examples so that you will be able to solve on your own. Mutter, Kinder. Mutter is asking Kinder, kommt hierher, euer Großvater is da. Come here, your grandfather is there. Children say, is dash already there? Then we dash come immediately. We will come immediately. So first one is he. He is the nominative, so you will directly use er. Then we will come immediately. We also you can decide and write where. So it becomes very easy if you translate and solve. Okay. Frau Huber dialogue with Mark and Tobias. Hello Mark and Tobias, how are? Now here she is talking to more than one person. So you always remember you have to use ear form. And es get is dative. So you have to use dative form of ear. That is euch. Okay. So here we get as euch. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Heartiest greetings or happy birthday on happy birthday. Was wollt blank then von dash als Geschenk? So Frau Huber is asking, what do you want from me as a gift? So here you is the plural one because she is talking to both of them. So here it should be ear. And this you can also cross verify by the verb conjugation. See in the first A1 do hast because hast is the conjugation of do. Similarly here volt is the conjugation of ear. And from me it is the dative. Von is the dative preposition. So here mir will come. Then Marx and Tobias answer from dash Frau Huber nur die besten Wünsche. See, they are calling her as a Mrs. Huber. That means respected form should be there. So from you, only the best wishes, that you should be the respected form, that will be capital EN. Okay. So please try to solve this exercise. We will discuss the answers of the same in our live class. Thank you. One more is there. This page is there and it is on page number 85. The same exercise is going to continue on page number 85. FGHIJ. So solve the whole exercise and we will discuss the answers of the same in our live class.